How to message on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the ways to message on Instagram. So in order to message someone on Instagram that you follow, so what you need to do is you can just go ahead and go to their profile. Now for example, when you open up your Instagram application, it's gonna look something like this. Now if you want to message someone, you can just go ahead and look for the particular contact whom you actually want to message. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type in the particular username, and once you are on their profile picture, you can see there's the button as message. You can just go ahead and tap the message button, and once you do that, you can just go ahead and type in whatever sort of information that you want to give it to this particular contact and tap the arrow icon. Once you have done that, you've sent the particular contact a message. At the same time, you can not just send a text, you can also send picture, you can also send voice message and all that. If you want to send a voice message, you can see the microphone icon located right up here. So you need to tap until you're speaking, and once you are done speaking or once you're done giving a message, just leave it and it's going to send it directly. You can also take a photo by tapping on the camera icon, and after that you can just click a picture and you can send it to the particular user. Apart from it, you can also send photos that's already stored on your gallery just by tapping on this particular icon located right in the corner. And once you've done that, select the particular video that you wish to do it, and once you've done that, tap the arrow icon and the video or the image will be sent as a message to this particular user. However, if you have not followed any of the contact, let's see that, and if you want to message the particular contact, then what you can do is you can just go ahead and open up the profile, do the same procedure. In my case, I've not followed the particular contact, so you can just go ahead and tap the message button right over here, and you can go ahead and send a message whatever you want to do it. But if the particular contact has a private account, then what you can do is you can just do the same procedure, that is look for their particular profile. And as you can see, in my case, this particular contact does not have a message button, but what you can do is you can just tap the three dot icon from the top and you can go to send message. Once you've done that, you can just go ahead and select the message, and that's how you can send. So this is how you can send to this particular contact. So that is how you can send message on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.